In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or simply looking to refine your web design skills, adjusting column sizes can make your site look more professional and organized. Let's begin with opening your Wix editor. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to Edit Site, which will open up the Wix editor for you. If you're using the Wix Studio editor, this step will work the same way. Now that you're in the editor and ready to go, the next thing you want to do is select the strip or section that contains the columns you wish to resize. Click on this strip to reveal the column outlines or handles. If you don't yet have columns in your section and wish to add some, simply click on the strip. Go to Layouts, select Add Columns, and then choose your desired layout. Once you've got your columns visible, hover your mouse over the divider line between any two columns. If you hover correctly, your cursor will change into a double-sided arrow. This is what you'll use to adjust the sizes. Click and drag the line left or right to resize the columns, and you'll notice the widths change in real time. You'll also see the percentage sizes displayed, helping you make accurate adjustments, say 40% and 60%. If you require even more precise control over the size of each column, you can utilize the settings. Click inside any column and select Manage Columns from the options. Here, you'll see a list of all your columns along with their width percentages. You can manually input the size percentages, such as 30%, 40%, and 30%, to fit the exact look you're aiming for. In this menu, you can also reorder or delete columns, giving you full flexibility over your column arrangement. After resizing, you might notice that your text or images within these columns need some adjustments. Click on any element inside the column. You'll be able to use resize handles or adjust margins and padding as needed. Be sure to get everything aligned correctly to maintain a clean and professional look. Finally, don't forget about the mobile view. Switch to mobile view by clicking the icon located on the top bar of your Wix editor. Wix automatically stacks columns vertically for mobile display, so your column sizes from the desktop version don't remain the same here. However, you can adjust padding and spacing or even hide elements to ensure your site looks its best on smaller screens. Remember, while you can't manually resize columns in mobile view as they auto-adjust, you can still modify spacing and margins for an optimized mobile experience. With these steps, you are well on your way to mastering the art of column resizing in Wix. Now go ahead and start customizing your site to perfection.